Murphy's Law: when things go wrong. Murphy's Law states that if anything can go wrong, it will. This isn't just a superstitious saying but has psychological underpinnings. It relates to cognitive biases that shape how we perceive and remember events. One key cognitive bias involved is the availability heuristic. This means we tend to judge the likelihood of an event based on how easily examples come to mind. Negative events are often more memorable and impactful, so we overestimate how often things go wrong. For example, you might have planned a picnic. You checked the weather forecast, and it said sunny. But on the day of the picnic, it suddenly rains. This unexpected negative event sticks in your mind more than all the times when your plans went smoothly. Another factor is confirmation bias. Once we believe in Murphy's Law, we actively look for evidence to support it. We notice and remember the times when things go wrong and ignore the many instances when they don't. For instance, a student who believes in this law might focus on the one test they failed rather than the numerous tests they passed. To deal with the influence of Murphy's Law, we can practice mindfulness. Mindfulness helps us stay present and objectively observe our thoughts and feelings without getting caught up in negative thinking patterns. We can also challenge our beliefs. When we notice ourselves thinking that everything will go wrong, we can ask for evidence. Is there really a high probability of things failing? In conclusion, Murphy's Law is more of a psychological perception than an absolute truth. By being aware of cognitive biases and taking steps to counter them, we can reduce the impact of this so-called law on our lives and approach situations with a more positive and realistic mindset.